Alright, so now we're in the land side of Tokyo Haneda International Airport here. Welcome to Tokyo. Okay, information toilet, I did everything already, so I'm just gonna go take the Kuki line to downtown. Alright, oh, monorail. Oh, Kuki line, alright. Okay, I'm gonna make a video here first, then find out which line I should take to get to downtown faster. It's now 6:30, something like that here in Tokyo, Japan. I'm gonna ask this guy.
It's a few miles away, so
It's there. So this is the arrival hall here at Haneda International Airport here in Tokyo. So the immigration back there, so we just got out of the immigration and custom check. Alright, now I'm gonna make a video here first and then we'll go to downtown. So you want to get the rental car, take the bus ticket, you can buy it over here, you can see there. And of course the rental car here in Tokyo too, right? And the train station's over there, the bus ticket, you can take the train, the metro, and also the monorail to Tokyo. Say Haneda Airport Garden. Let's see. Haneda Airport Garden. Let's go upstairs. Let's go to the Haneda Airport Garden first. And of course you can go charter bus parking over here. Alright, so let's go to the Haneda Garden here. See what's going on. Oh, look at this. Alright, so this is the upstairs, the departure area here at Haneda International Airport. Alright. And the monorail is here. You can take the monorail to downtown Tokyo. Alright. So this is Haneda International Airport. Because when I'm flying out to Seoul in a few days, we'll be flying from Narita, so I will not have the opportunity to make the video of the check-in area here at Haneda International Airport. A really nice, real clean airport, right? So big. See over there too, the check-in line. There's a restaurant up there, really nice, look at that. Okay. the Haneda garden. Where's the Haneda garden? Maybe it's upstairs. Let's go upstairs, see what's going on. I think we can get a better perspective upstairs. Right, so these are the encounters of Japan Airlines. All right. You can take some pictures here. Alright, so the check-in counter over there, you can see. And now we're walking upstairs. Let's see what's going on. Maybe there's a place you can do the planes spot some planes. Alright. Alright, so this is where you can get food. Yep. Yeah, alright. Let's see what's going on. I want to take the stuff. Alright, this guy making it on the elevator. What's going on, man? Alright. Let's go to the Haneda garden. Let's go to Haneda garden. Oh, I think we can do some plane spotting here. Nice. Which is cool. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so I think we're in a good spot now. Let's do some plane spotting from here. How about that? Do some plane spotting. Oh, still has some sunlight. Alright, everybody. I will let you go now. I will do some plane spotting in a moment. You all have a wonderful evening and take care. Alright.